Let's make some creamy slab potatoes. To get started with, we have a metal pan. You have to use metal in this. You don't want to use any glass. We've got 1/4 a cup of butter that's melted. We're going to place it in our pan, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper. Just going to mix that in our pan up really well. Now we've preheated our oven to 500 degrees. Got that, everything is nice and even. We've taken our potatoes, we have peeled them and cut them into 1-inch thick slices. And we're just going to take our potatoes, coat it, turn it over, coat it, turn it over. Now this is a 3-step process. So our first step is we're going to stick this in the oven. We're going to bake it for 15 minutes. All right. Stage 2, we're going to take these, we're going to flip these over. And once we get them flipped over, we're then going to cook these for another 15 minutes. And then we'll move on to stage 3. Oh. All right, our step 3 is we're going to add 1 cup of water. 3 teaspoons of minced garlic with the juices. Do those helping? And then we're going to cook this for another 20 minutes. All right, we're now finished. We're going to take those out. Look how nice and golden brown those are with all those juices. They look absolutely delicious. I'm going to take a picture here real quick because, you know, we've got to show you exactly what they look like. And then we're going to take these. I'm going to grab a couple of potatoes, put them on a plate, and then finish them off. You know what? You always do things in pairs of 3. Is that right?
Well, if it's dessert, for sure.
Dessert for sure. And then we're going to just take those juices and we'll pour over that. And there we have it, some creamy slab potatoes. Hope you enjoy the recipe.